We are here in the College of Health and Human Services, and specifically we're visiting the Food and Nutrition program at Bowling Green State University. And when I heard we were going to do food and nutrition, I said, let's get it on and have some food. Welcome to this month's Rogers Report. So we are in the Dr. Joe Williford Food Science Research Lab. So Dr. Williford was a 35-year faculty member here at Bowling Green State University, and this space was named in his honor based upon alums that got together to make a difference. We want to hear a little bit more about the research that's going on in this space.
So we're working with the tomatoes that are grown in the aquaponics system. The idea behind it is that they're grown in a more sustainable manner, but we want to kind of compare them to conventionally grown tomatoes and see if there's a difference between the two.
Fish and produce are grown in the same system. The fish provide the natural fertilizer for the plants to grow in, and the plants provide a natural filter to clean the water to circulate back to the fish. Will consumers buy a product, a tomato is grown in this system, does it taste different? How do these compare to other tomatoes, and is this a marketable product?
So today we're going to test skin strength. Is it more thick than conventionally grown tomatoes? And then we're also testing distance that it travels when it breaks the skin. Essentially, like if you have like a less firm or a soggy tomato, it's going to travel further. So you want like a more firm product, a more acceptable product.
So can we try a tomato right now? Have you tried these?
Yeah, they're good.
Wow, those are good. Come to Bowling Green State University, try these tomatoes. They're delicious. Taste testing. Okay. It's chewy. And I have to say how old I am. How much do I weigh in kilograms? And so, Jonathan, tell me a little bit about your role, and tell me a little bit about this program at Bowling Green.
My role, I am the nutrition science coordinator, and here most of our students in the food and nutrition program are preparing to become registered dietitians.
You know, at Bowling Green, we often talk about being a public university for the public good, and a part of that public good is making sure that we have healthy communities. And you do some outreach to the community.
We're looking to use our sensory facilities here as a service for regional companies, particularly those that may not have the in-house capabilities to do sensory testing, that we would then offer that as a service to help them in their quality and in their research and development.
Tell me a little bit about the program that you're a part of here.
I joined the nutrition science field just because I had an interest in food. I'm a pre-med student, so I plan to go to med school after next year.
And long-term, career-wise, what do you plan to do?
I hope to work on the community level. I've shadowed at a few food banks.
So you said public health?
I started out in dietetics,
Okay.
transferred over to public health. I wanted to help in health more than just nutrition.
Quite a few of you are talking about the impact of food to communities. Certainly that's part of public good to make sure we have healthy and vibrant communities. So I admire all of the great work and your plans moving forward into the future. I've been told that I'm a good taster. Is there any way to know if in fact I'm a good
Super?
Oh yeah, like a super taster.
Well, yes, there is. There's a concept called super tasters, which refers to genetic variation in how taste is perceived. So there's a bitter compound on here called PTC, and super tasters will taste it as extremely bitter.
Okay, super taster. What do I do?
So if it just tastes like paper, that means you're a non-taster.
And are you a super taster?
I'm a taster, just it's mildly unpleasant for me.
I think I'm just ordinary.
Okay.
Well, I have enjoyed my time here in the College of Health and Human Services and talking to the great students and faculty in the food and nutrition program. But you know, I had that little piece of tomato and only a little bit of a chewy bar. I'm really hungry. I wonder what they have here. Let's take a look. Boy, I'm going to get my fill. Hey, we'll see you next month on the Rogers Report.